Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nazatul Syereena binti Raub, and today I will talk about GIS in landscape architecture. So, what is GIS? GIS stands for Geographic Information System that creates, manage, analyze, and maps all types of data. GIS connects data to a map, integrating location data with all types of descriptive information. GIS helps users to understand patterns, relationships, and geographic context. The benefits include improved communication and efficiency, as well as better management and decision making. In Chapter 1, we are introduced on how to use GIS by learning step by step from open the map document to labeling feature. In Task 1, introduces on how to launch ArcMap and ArcCatalog, also on how to open an existing map document. In Task 2, we introduces on how to working with map layer. In this task, we get to know on how to retrieving lost data. While in Task 3, it shows on how to navigating a map document. For example, on how to zoom in specific area without clicking too much. In this task, we were introduced on how to use magnifier window. Magnifier window works to see another detail on the map. Also on how to use a special bookmark for specific area. And in Task 4, how to measure distance along the path using measure tool. In Task 5, working with feature attributes R for identify and state specific area or city. Jump to Task 6, which introduces on selecting features. In this task, it shows on how to select specific city or area, and also can select a few places at once. In Task 7, how to change selection option. For example, the symbol that located on the left attributes can be changed according to what it states. In Task 8, it shows attributes table. Attribute tables shows data in 48 contiguous states. Also, we can see only selected records. Last but not least, in Task 9, we learn on how to labeling specific features in map. In Chapter 2, introduces to map design. Basically, in Chapter 2, we learn on how to change color by population, also on how to graduate point map and creating custom classes for map. Last, in Chapter 3, how to create map layout by creating and use guidelines in terms of bar scale, legend, title, and text. For the conclusion, from my experience as I was learning lab exercise on 1 using and making maps in GIS, I learned on how to use ArcCatalog and ArcMap in a proper way. In the beginning, it's quite difficult if you doesn't follow the instruction properly, but as time goes by, I started to get used to it. This software showed me on how to input and connect the data, also how to coordinate the system. This software also taught me on how to color the map in terms of population. In last chapter, I learned on how to create map layout and use guidelines. Lab exercise on 1 give a lot of knowledge in order to use this software. Thank you.